Do you dream of making money while you sleep? You're not alone. Let's explore how to turn that dream into reality.
Welcome to my channel, where today, we're talking about passive income, the secret to financial freedom. Passive income is money earned with minimal effort, allowing you to build wealth while focusing on what matters most to you. Here are 20 passive income ideas to get you started on your journey to financial independence. 1. Trading systems. Use automated trading systems to generate income from the stock market. 2. Selling options premium. Profit by selling options contracts for a premium. 3. Rental properties. Earn passive income through renting out real estate properties. 4. Dividend stocks. Invest in stocks or ETFs that pay regular dividends.
5. Bonds. Generate income through interest payments from lending money.
6. REITs. Real estate investment trusts diversify into real estate with passive investments.
7. Peer-to-peer lending. Earn interest by lending money online.
8. Royalties. Earn from intellectual property like patents or copyrights.
9.
High-yield savings accounts/CDs. Grow your wealth through interest from savings. 10. Business investments. Invest in businesses for a share of profits. 11. Annuities. Receive regular payments through insurance products. 12. Digital products. Create and sell ebooks, courses, or software. 13. Websites. Monetize websites through advertising and affiliate marketing. 14. YouTube channels. Earn from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing on YouTube. 15. E-commerce. Start an online store with dropshipping for passive income.
16. Online courses/workshops. Sell educational content online.
17. Subscription services. Offer premium content or services for recurring income.
18. Apps/software. Profit from app or software sales.
19. Podcasts. Monetize your podcast through sponsorships and ads.
20. Automated web services. Create and sell online tools or services.
There you have it, 20 ways to make money while you sleep.
Which one will you try first?
Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on building wealth passively. Start today and watch your dreams come true.
Thank you for watching this helpful video.